India's economy continues to grow at a steady and confident pace. India's economy stands out as the fastest growing major economy in the world. As per the latest report by the PIB, in 24-25, the real GDP growth has been estimated to be a whopping 6.5%. The Reserve Bank of India expects the same rate to continue in 2025-26. This performance comes at a time when the global economy is facing uncertainty, making India's steady momentum all the more significant. The report also states that key indicators such as record foreign exchange reserves, a manageable current account deficit, and increasing foreign investment reflect growing trust in the country's long-term prospects. The broader economic picture is one of resilience and balance, supported by strong domestic demand, easing inflation, marking robust capital markets, and rising exports. Let's take a quick look at the key takeaways of this report in detail. So this is, of course, a very key report. And I'm going to quickly take you through, of course, the main takeaways of what this report contains on India's economic surge. So the GDP growth, of course, is at 6.5%. It was at that in 2024-25. That made us the fastest growing amongst major economies of the world. And the outlook is pegged to be again the same at 6.5%. That's the projection by the RBI, that the growth will remain stable at 6.5% for the financial year 2025-26 as well. The UN and CII also estimate growth to be above 6.3% for India's GDP. Also, if we talk about CPI inflation, then that has fallen to 2.82% in May 2025. That's the lowest level that it's been at since February 2019. Also, if we talk about food inflation now, we told you about consumer price inflation earlier. Now let's talk about food inflation. It's down to 0.99%. So that's under 1%. This has been driven by stable food supply and robust crop growth and output as well. The RBI outlook for inflation is expected to remain near or below that 4% target. That's the outlook by the RBI going ahead. Also, of course, this retail investors boom has taken place in the country. That has surged from 4.9 crore rupees, what it was in 2019, to 13.2 crore rupees in 2024. And in fact, foreign exchange reserves also are at a high $697.9 billion as of June 2025. That covers about over 11 months, of course, of imports. Current account deficit also has been contained at 0.6% of our GDP. Quarter four surplus of $13.5 billion. In fact, if we talk about that final quarter last year. Total FDI is $81.04 billion in financial year 2024-25. That's up 14% from the previous year. So FDI numbers also going up. If we talk about the top sectors, then of course the services is contributing the most, 19% of total FDIs from the service sector, software and hardware at 16%, trading at 8%.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.